Creating a portfolio is essential for showcasing your skills, accomplishments, and work to potential employers or clients. Here's a concise guide. Define your purpose. Determine the purpose of your portfolio. Is it for job applications, freelance work, college applications, or personal branding? Choose a format. Decide whether you want a physical portfolio or a digital one. Gather your best work. Collect samples of your work, including projects, assignments, artwork, or achievements that highlight your skills and expertise. Organize content. Categorize your work into sections, such as design projects, writing samples, or education and certifications. Create a consistent layout. Maintain a consistent design throughout your portfolio to create a professional and cohesive look. Use a clean and readable font. Write descriptions. Include brief descriptions or captions for each work sample, explaining its context, your role, and the skills demonstrated. Showcase your best first. Arrange your work with your best and most relevant pieces at the beginning to capture the viewer's attention. Add personal information. Include an About Me section with your name, contact information, a brief bio, and a professional photo. Design a cover or homepage. Create an appealing cover or homepage for your portfolio with your name and a tagline that reflects your skills or career goals. Include testimonials or recommendations. If applicable, incorporate testimonials or references from clients, professors, or colleagues to validate your skills. Proofread and edit. Review your portfolio for errors in grammar, spelling, and formatting. Ensure all links are working correctly in digital portfolios. Print or publish. If you have a physical portfolio, print it professionally. For digital portfolios, choose a platform like Behance, WordPress, or create a PDF file. Promote your portfolio. Share your portfolio with your network, including on LinkedIn and your resume. Encourage others to view and provide feedback. A well-organized and visually appealing portfolio effectively communicates your capabilities and accomplishments, making it a valuable tool for career advancement or personal branding.